Your spa headrest may be showing signs of wear, and if that's the case, you may want to replace them. This short video is going to show you how to measure up the headrest to make sure that you're ordering the correct headrest, or if you need to send us information so that we can help you match up the correct headrest. There are an infinite amount of shapes and sizes for spa pool headrests and also mounting configurations. So we're going to use a Vortex Spa headrest as an example, but it by no means covers all headrests out there. Right now I'm going to cover how to measure a headrest, and if you need our help, what you need to send to us. For this task, you will need a tape measure and a mobile device with a camera. On a Vortex Spa, the headrest clips are possibly different than the spa that you own, so just be advised that removing the headrest the way I am right now might be different. You might have to simply pull it straight out. With a Vortex Spa, you can pull it this way towards you and it comes off of the clips. On a Vortex Spa, these clips are used for the standard headrest, and this post mount is used for the neck therapy collar headrest. And so it's imperative that you measure correctly to match up your headrest. So I'm going to start and do that now. First thing that we want is the length of the headrest. And that measures 420. Now I also need to measure the height. It's best to do this from a flat surface, like this. And then we would measure the back mounting. So we would measure between the mounting positions, which is 270, but your headrest may be different. And if it has posts on the headrest, you would want to measure from the center between those two posts. So center to center on those posts, and you want to write down those measurements. Now, once you have the measurements, you can go to our website and search through the headrest, and you'll find one that matches the dimensions. First of all, you would look at it to see that it's the right shape and configuration, and then match those dimensions up. If you have trouble with your headrest and matching it up, you can always ask us for help. That's what we're here for. What we need from you to make it easier is for you to send those measurements to us. We also need a picture of the back and the front of the headrest, and also the headrest mounting and how that looks. Hopefully this short video has helped you understand how to measure your spa pool headrest so that you can get the perfect headrest for your spa. And of course, if you need any help picking out the correct headrest, you can visit spastore.com.au or spastore.co.nz. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.